Hi, meet Alex. Alex has $100 and he wants to invest it properly. If he puts his money in a bank, he will receive back $105 in a year at the most. However, if he advertises with MarketBot, he can get up to $135 in a month. Looks like Alex wants to know the secret. Everything is very simple. Merchants pay cashback services a commission on sales. Cashback services share the revenue with those who attract new customers, and MarketBot constantly brings in new leads to massive advertising campaigns. Alex funded the MarketBot advertising budget with $100 and then got his share of the sales commission. Now is in Comas 35% per month. And he gets it each day. Are you interested? Just register with the MarketBot. Fund your advertising budget starting with $10. But wait, you don't even have to spend your own money to start. Because MarketBot will give you $50 to fund your first advertising campaign. You'll start getting income in 48 hours because that's the time needed for an advertisement. Moderation cycle. Start earning up to $35 per month. With AI. Marketing. No complications, 24 hours a day. Start now.